Experiencing power issues, no display, overheating, or random shutdowns on your MacBook Pro A1989? A logic board replacement may be the best solution to restore your device's full performance. The logic board is the main component responsible for communication between the processor, memory, storage, charging system, and other hardware parts. Damaged boards can result from liquid spills, overheating, electrical failure, or physical damage. Professional replacement ensures stable performance, proper diagnostics, and reliable functionality. Using quality replacement parts and expert installation helps extend the life of your MacBook. Restore your MacBook Pro to smooth and efficient operation with trusted logic board replacement services from experienced technicians today.